Hello student, myself Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar College, Bhokardhan District, Jalna. Today we will see problem based on photoelectric effect. Semester 3rd, course code number 202, paper number 8, Modern and Nuclear Physics. See, first formula, that is the energy of photon is always determined by the frequency mu and is given by E equal to h nu, where h is a Planck constant, and here we know that also 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb into 1 volt, that is equal to 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules. Now second formula, that is E equal to mc square. From this, m equal to E upon c square equal to h nu upon c square, where c is the velocity of light. Now also we know that the relation between momentum and velocity, that is momentum equal to mass into velocity. So momentum is given by p equal to m into c. So here p equal to h nu upon c square, that is the value of m, into c is equal to h nu upon c equal to h upon lambda. Now third formula, that is the kinetic energy equal to electrostatic potential energy, that is 1 by 2 mv square equal to E into V0, where V0 is the stopping potential that balances the kinetic energy and E is the electronic charge, that is given by small e. Now next, that is Einstein photoelectric equation, that is 1 by 2 mv square equal to h into mu minus mu 0. So another formula, that is energy of photon is equal to work function plus 1 by 2 mv square. Now energy of photon is given by h nu is equal to work function, that is w, plus 1 by 2 mv square. Now see example, the photoelectric threshold wavelength of metal is 5000 angstrom. Find the kinetic energy of the photoelectrons in hole ejected by the light of wavelength 4000 angstrom. Now see, that is the kinetic energy of photoelectron is given by 1 by 2 mv square equal to h nu minus nu 0, that is equal to h into c upon lambda minus c upon lambda 0. Now here 1 by 2 mv square equal to c into h into lambda 0 minus lambda upon lambda into lambda 0, where lambda 0 equal to 5000 angstrom, that is equal to 5000 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Here that angstrom is converted into meter. Also here given, that is lambda, that is wavelength, that is 4000 angstrom, that is also converted into meter. So 4000 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Therefore 1 by 2 mv square equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 into 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 5000 into 10 raised to minus 10 minus 4000 into 10 raised to minus 10 upon 5000 into 10 raised to minus 10 into 4000 into 10 raised to minus 10. So 1 by 2 mv square is equal to 3 into 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 26 into 1000 upon 5000 into 4000 into 10 raised to minus 10, that is equal to 19.8 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 20 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, and that is equal to kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 mv square equal to 0.62 electron volt. Now next example, the stopping potential is 2.3 volt. Here that is value of V0 is given, that is stopping potential is 2.3 volt for light of frequency 1 into 10 raised to 15 Hertz. When light of frequency is 2 into 10 raised to 15 Hertz is used, the stopping potential is 6.5 volt. Now here calculate the value of Planck constant. In our example, here given the value of V0 for the frequency 1 into 10 raised to 15 Hertz, and also the value of V0 6.5 volt for the frequency that is 2 into 10 raised to 15 Hertz, and from this we can calculate the value of Planck constant. So we know that the relation E into V0 equal to H into mu minus mu 0. Now here given that is V0 equal to 2.3 volt for the frequency 1 into 10 raised to 15 Hertz, and also V0 equal to 6.5 volt for the frequency 2 into 10 raised to 15 Hertz. So from this given value we can write 2.3 E equal to H into 1 into 10 raised to 15 minus mu 0, and also we can write 6.5 into E equal to H into 2 into 10 raised to 15 minus mu 0. From these two equations, subtracting 1 from 2, we get 4.2 into E equal to 1 into H into 10 raised to 15. So 4.2 into putting the value of E, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 is equal to 1 into H into 10 raised to 15. So from this H equal to 4.2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 1 into 10 raised to 15. So value of Planck constant H equal to 6.72 into 10 raised to minus 19 into 10 raised to minus 15. Therefore H equal to 6.72 into 10 raised to minus 34 Joule second. Now next example, that is calculate frequency and wavelength equivalent to energy 1 electron volt. Now here we have find out the frequency and wavelength using the energy 1 electron volt. So 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. So using this value, energy equivalent to frequency mu is h nu. So we know that h nu equal to 1 electron volt. So from this mu equal to 1 electron volt upon h, and we know that the value of h equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. So using this mu equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34. So after simplification, mu equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 15 upon 6.626, that is equal to 2.415 into 10 raised to 14 Hertz. Now we have also calculated, that is lambda, that is wavelength. Lambda equal to C upon mu, that is a wavelength. So putting the value of here, lambda equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8, that is the value of C upon 2.415 into 10 raised to 14. So after simplification, lambda equal to 3 upon 2.415 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. So using this we get lambda equal to 1.24 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. So Here lambda equal to 12,420 angstrom, using 1 angstrom equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now next example, that is the calculate here. The work function of potassium is 2 electron volt. Here that is a work function, W is having 2 electron volt. Next, when ultraviolet light of wavelength 3500 angstrom falls on potassium surface, calculate the maximum kinetic energy of emitted photoelectron in electron volt. Now see, here we know that the relation, that is a maximum kinetic energy equal to h nu minus W is equal to h c upon lambda minus W. So here from this, h upon c, h into c upon lambda is equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8. Putting the value here, we get upon 3,500 into 10 raised to minus 10. So h into c upon lambda is equal to 5.71 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Now here in electron volt, that is h into c upon lambda equal to 5.71 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 electron volt. Now after dividing, we get Sc upon lambda is equal to 3.57 in electron volt. So maximum kinetic energy Kmax equal to Sc upon lambda minus W. So putting the value here, we get Sc upon lambda is 3.57 minus 2. So here we get maximum kinetic energy equal to 1.57 electron volt. Thank you.